Good morning. Dogs are playing outside. Today we're gonna make a, they call it humane, but any way you kill a mouse is not humane. But in my opinion, that snapping their neck is more humane than letting them drown. But we're gonna make a drowning trap for mice, since we hear them chewing in the house. So you need a bucket, piece of wood, hole saw, empty can, some string, a little hand saw, and we're gonna make this bucket. So let me make a cut on the wood, and then we'll get a tripod, and then we'll drill a hole and make us a water trap. Alright, give me a minute, hold on. Alright, we're back. I guess take, put the hole like up pretty high. So I don't have no center bit for this. So let me get my drill. Oh, I need a battery. Oh, crap. Alright, no battery. Since we don't have a center bit, we can just start it. Get this. Can you see the bucket? Yeah. Let's try it like this. Between my knees. Start it at an angle and get that piece to bite. This is a pretty dull bit, so it should go through the plastic. Oops. Yeah, we're through now. Alright. It is a mouse trap. Yeah. Alright, we got that. Now, guess we gotta get this board, get in the hole. Do this. Just cut it to a point there with our little hand saw. Over here. Chair. Oh, love you. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Well, now we're going to cut a little notch here, and here. See that knot? And it'll get us in the hole. You barking, Cherry? Yeah. Pretty girl. The wood's damp. Alright, we got our notches cut in this piece. Stick it in the hole. And we want to get a hole drilled. Put a string in. Use a 3 30-second spit. Drill at an angle where the string can shoot it straight across. Alright. Mark the hole at 12 inches on this side. Shoot the string across through this hole. Alright, got the coffee can. You see the coffee can? Nope. See the coffee can. Alright, here's the coffee can. We'll drill a hole in the center of the coffee can approximately. The lid. And we'll drill a hole in the center and the bottom approximately. Oops. Alright. Now, we got a piece of string. Get it fed through this. Open it up a little more, huh? This will be like, we'll burn the end of the string. The lighter. Let's see if we can feed it through this hole. That's a good thing. It's all denial and error. It's all one big experiment. Alright, let me get the string through here. Now we got the bucket good now again. Guess we can go over here more. Alright. String through here. Through the lid. And I'll post in through the back of this. Alright. Now, just tie a couple of knots here. So don't pull back through the hole. Just 2 overhand knots, nothing fancy. Big enough knot. There we go. Alright. Pull everything together up here. We want that to be able to spin. Alright. Now, string. Now we cut it and tie it off. Lighter. Let's try this off. Alright. There you go. Now we'll put peanut butter. Put peanut butter on the rim of this. And then when they climb up the ramp into the hole, they'll try to get to the peanut butter, and once they step onto this, they're doomed. Alright, there you go. So, we're going to set this outside tonight by our mulch pile, where we've seen mice already outside. And see what happens tonight. We'll make another video in the morning and show you the mice we caught. Alright. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.